Welcome to the Archive of Digital Art. Within this co-creative social environment, a digital community of over 600 artists, scholars, and technologists use Ada's data infrastructure. Community members openly share, discuss, and connect their knowledge on media art and its histories, creating a living archive. With metadata on over 2,000 events, 800 institutions, thousands of artworks, and an extensive bibliography, this user-generated content supports the documentation of media art for institutions of cultural heritage.
Ada is not just subjective, but scientific and democratic, since every artist with at least 5 artworks is automatically qualified to be a member. Over the years, approximately 5,000 applicants were evaluated, and Ada now includes more than 500 media artists with their oeuvre. Since 2016, an expansion of Ada with social software and a new database infrastructure empowers community members to self-document information on media art, its institutions, literature, technology, and other data. Within an expanded concept of documentation, the metadata is interconnected to bridge the institutional, artistic, and technological layers that are inherent in media artworks. The interconnections within the archive help to document media art as a collaborative process and its complex and ephemeral mediality at the intersection of art, science, and technology.
Ada makes visible new perspectives on media art and its digital technologies, as with the histories of virtual reality. In 1992, at the earliest stage in the commercialization of VR head-mounted displays, Ada community members Monica Fleischman and Wolfgang Strauss exhibited their work, Home of the Brain, in which visitors explored within a virtual space theories of media technology and their influence on the development of modern society.
Around 25 years later, Oculus Rift, Microsoft, and Google all released consumer devices for the mass market. This commercialization led to a new hype for VR as immersive experience and artistic tools can be seen in the rise of VR-themed exhibitions and in the art market as well. Comparable to immersive imagery, Ada shows through keyword clusters of counterculture artworks on important topics of our time like climate, surveillance, virtualization of finance, and body politics, among others. Ada is a Typo 3 SQRL database. Keyword links in the Media Art Research Thesaurus combine scientific research with community-built metadata to bridge media art and its art historical predecessors across temporal and spatial divides, empowering comparative analysis. Ada community members co-create and discuss their own media arts histories on important topics of our time by using research tools such as the Lightbox and online exhibitions. Within an analytic grid, textual and visual elements on Ada are recontextualized to explore media art in its many layers of meaning. Collectively, Ada is a growing network of ideas.